Do you want to connect your PS4 controller to your iPhone? Then you are at the right place. We have got an easy way to do that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method: go to Settings and on Bluetooth. Now take your PS4 controller and press and hold the PlayStation button and the Share or Create button. Hold them until the blue light at the top starts blinking. This indicates that the PS4 is trying to connect to a nearby Bluetooth device. When it connects to your phone, you will see the device here on your phone under the Bluetooth settings. Just tap on it and it will add the device. If the controller pairs but does not connect, press the PS button on the controller. To check if it is working, you will see that the controller light on the top is orange. You can check it with the game on your phone and see if it's working. You can remap the buttons under the settings. When you have finished playing, turn off the device and return to your phone settings. Click on the device info option and forget the device on your controller. And there you have it, the method to connect your PS4 controller to iPhone. We hope the method has worked for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more games, tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about the solution. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.